In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Carrd.co. We'll go through everything step by step, so you can easily follow along, even if you're new to Carrd. By the end, you'll know how to add a clickable link, customize how it looks, and even add a simple animation to make it stand out. First, open your Carrd site in the editor. Once you're in, move your attention to the top right area of the screen. You should see a plus icon there. This is how you add new elements to your page. Click on that plus icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option called Link. As soon as you select it, a new link element will be added to your page. You can position it wherever you like by clicking and dragging it around the canvas until it sits exactly where you want it. With the link element selected, you'll notice its settings appear on the left-hand panel. Make sure you're on the Links tab. Here, you'll see a drop-down field labeled Link. Click that drop-down to expand the settings. In this section, you can change the text that appears on your page, often called the link label, to something meaningful, like contact me, view my portfolio, or any call to action you prefer. Just below that, there's a field for the URL. Paste or type the web address you want this link to point to. Double check that the URL is correct, including the HTTPS part if needed, so your visitors are taken to the right place. Next, let's customize how your link looks. Switch over to the Appearance tab in the left panel. This is where you control the visual style. You can choose a link style, such as simple text or a button-like appearance, depending on your design. Then, pick the main link color and the hover color, which is the color it changes to when someone moves their mouse over it. You can also adjust the font size, font weight, and letter spacing to match the rest of your site. Take a moment to scroll through all the appearance settings so you can fine-tune everything to your liking. If you want to add a bit of motion to draw attention to your link, you can add animation. Still within the Appearance tab, look for the animation drop-down, which is initially set to None. Click it and choose an animation type you like, such as a fade-in or slide. Once you select an animation, additional options will appear, letting you adjust things like delay or speed so the effect feels natural and not too distracting. And that's it. You've added a link in Carrd, customized its text, style, colors, and typography, and even given it a subtle animation.